Student, today we will start our chapter 1, that is real numbers. For real numbers you have studied in earlier classes also. So let's start our chapter. The first topic is Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is all about, as you have done earlier also, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The same is here. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integer q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r is the remainder here, and r will come, the value of r is between 0 and b. R can be 0 also. So let's start with one example. Find HCF of 455 and 42. That you have done in your earlier classes also, the long division method. At last we will get 7 is coming. So we will write them in the form of a is equal to bq on r. A is 455, the dividend 455, the divisor 42 into quotient 10 plus remainder is coming 35. The same now the quotient is 42. Now the number dividend is 42. We are dividing it by 35. Divisor is 35, and it will go one time. So 35 into 1 plus remainder is coming 7 here. Now 35. Now the dividend is 35. We will divide it by 7 and it will go 5 times, and the remainder is coming 0. At last remainder is coming 0, and we are dividing that number by 7. So our HCF is 7. Let's start the first example of the NCERT. Use Euclid algorithm to find the HCF of 12576 and 4052. 12576 is greater than when we will compare 12576 and 4052. So which one is greater? 12576. Okay. So what we will do, we will divide 12576 by 4052. Here we are dividing 4052 12576. 3 times it will go. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 1 is coming, 3 4 ja 12. So remainder is coming 420. So we will write it in the form 12576 4052 into 3 plus 420. Now what we will do, now next step we will divide 4052 by 420. So it will go 9 times, 90, 9 2 ja 18, 9 4 ja 36, 9 2 ja 80, 9 4 ja 36, 36 or 1 37. Now we will subtract it. Subtract करिए आप 2 from 14, 15, 8 will go 7. Now the remainder will come 272. So we will write it 4052 divided by 420. So how many times it will go? 9 times, and the remainder is coming 272. Now what we will do, we will divide 420 by 272. It will go 1 times, and the remainder will come 148. Now we will divide 272 by 148. Again it will go 1 times, and the remainder will come 124. Now what we will do, we will divide 148 and by 124. It will go again 1 time, and the remainder will come 24. Now what we will do, we will divide again 124 by 24. It will go 5 times, and the remainder will come 4. Now we will divide 24 Now we will divide 24 by 4. It will go 4 6 ja 24, and the remainder will come 0. At last we are dividing it by 4. You know that. At last we are dividing it by 4. So our HCF is 4. Again I am saying to you the same procedure. Again I am telling you what we will do. First we will compare which one is greater. In these numbers 4052 is greater. So we will divide 12576 by 4052. So again dividend is 12576. We are dividing is 4052. How many times it will go? 3 times. That is quotient, and the remainder will come 420. Again, now in the next step what we will do, We will take 4052 as a dividend and we will divide it by the remainder 420. So 4052 we are dividing it by 420. It will go 9 times and the remainder is coming 272. So again now we will divide 420 by 272. 420 by 272, 1 times it will go, remainder will come 148. Now we will divide 272 by 148, it will go 1 times, remainder will come 148, 124. Now we will divide 148 by 124, 1 times it will go, 24 will remainder. Now we will divide 124 by again that remainder 24, it will go 5 times, 24, 5 is 120 and remainder will come 4. And now we will divide 24, that number by 4, it will go 6 times. Now we are at last we are dividing the number by 4, so it means HCF of that question is 4. I think so you all got it. So I am giving you some questions, you will do these questions in your homework.